Tired of credit card chaos? Let's conquer your American Express reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. First, connect your American Express account. Click on Banking in the left navigation menu. If your American Express isn't already listed, click at Account, search for American Express, and follow the prompts to securely connect your account. This will automatically import your transactions. Next, review your imported transactions. QuickBooks will automatically try to match these to existing entries. Confirm or match each transaction, assigning the correct category. If a transaction isn't matched, use the Find Match feature. This allows you to search for the corresponding transaction already entered in QuickBooks. For unmatched transactions, manually categorize them by selecting the appropriate account from the drop-down menu. Time to reconcile. Back in the banking screen, find your American Express account and click the Reconcile button in the Action column. Enter the statement, ending date, and ending balance as they appear on your American Express statement. Now, carefully compare each transaction in QuickBooks with your American Express statement. Check off each transaction that matches. The goal is to get the difference amount to zero. Any discrepancies indicate missing or incorrect transactions. If you find discrepancies, like finance charges or cashback rewards, use the Add Adjustment button to enter them. Once the difference is zero, click Finish. Now you've successfully reconciled your American Express account in QuickBooks Online. Now your books accurately reflect your spending.